everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a few hauls today. I got the Lawn Fawn new kit High Five, and they sent me these pretty sweet sequins with gingham paper, which I love. So pretty. And then I love that the kit just comes like that, not in a big old box. So thank you, Lawn Fawn. I love this pretty bag. It's so it was fun to get this new kit. I was deciding whether to order this kit or not, and then finally when Lawn Fawn said, you know, with the email like to order the kit, I was like, okay, I'm gonna order it. I didn't want it to sell out and I didn't get a chance to get it. So these cute little bees are so cute, and then you get this sparkle glaze. I have their clear glaze, so, and I really like it. So, and sparkle is just 10 times better, right? So I can't wait to use that. And then I love bees, and the one these little party bees are so cute, and I love the little honey pot, and I just love all these cute little images, and happy bee day, and you're sweet as honey, so cute. So I will be making some bee cards. And then here are the coordinating dies, which I love because I am just tired of fussy cutting. And then here are the honeycomb shaker gift tag, so that will be fun to play with as well. I can make some tags. And then I love their paper. This one is stripes and sprinkles, and it's a 6x6 paper pad, and I love the polka dots. So super pretty as always. And then of course I love stencils, and this is the honeycomb stencil, and I've seen so many ways of them using it, so that will be fun. And then I went to visit family, so they have a Hobby Lobby nearby. So here are a few items that I got. Isn't that chair cute? I got it to go with this Simon Says stamp die. I had the die first, and then I seen the chair and I was like, oh my gosh, so cute. And then these adhesive springs, I loved that they were mini. I have some bigger ones, so that will be fun. And then these happy birthday stickers are so thick, and they feel like wood. So I love that. I'm gonna have to use those. I'm always making birthday cards. And then I love sunflowers, and these ones are just so pretty. I love the dimension on them. Their stickers were on sale, so that was nice. And then coffee, I love these coffee stickers, super cute. And then I really liked these sticker abilities stickers. I love that watermelon pop there, macaroons, and then donuts, coffee, all the cute things. And it was a 3-pack here, so I had to grab it. I hadn't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, and I was looking at their dies, and I just had to have another lemon die, so this one's pretty. And then I got this container, and right now I just have Doodles Paper Playground sparkle blends in here, but I'm going to fill it up, so it's always fun. I've been loving making shaker cards. So super pretty. And then I got this little spray bottle in the mall. So I thought I would fill it up with water and keep it on my desk for my projects. Super cute. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed my hauls. Thank you for stopping by, and subscribe if you're not subscribed.